is my little coffee machine. Yeah. Gusto Go Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Yeah, so I put the cup. This is the special cup that comes with it. It's 4. I'll put it on there. Now, so you're gonna start working now. That's cappuccino.